Research Methodology Part 2. The most important work of a researcher is to identify a topic for his or her research. Identifying a topic means a researcher should be able to list out the components of his or her topic of research. In the case of any topic, there must be some objectives to be attained. The researcher should identify a research problem, and the aim or the target of the entire process of research should be to find out the best solution available. And also, along with that, a researcher will have a clear-cut idea the course of action by which he or she can attain the objective of his or her research. Obtaining the topic for research is not so easy. It is advised that one can get the help of one's research guide if the topic is generated from one's own mind. That is going to be an ideal one. That will be a genuine topic also. When you select a topic for your research, it is better to avoid those topics on which works have been done already. And also, to be on the safer side, better not to opt those topics which are controversial. Never select a topic which is unclear. Once you fix a topic, you should be able to state that in black and white. Check there are enough secondary materials on your topic, because if you start your research without having a proper idea regarding the secondary materials, you may land in trouble. These days we have number of e-journals, so before starting your research or before fixing your topic, you can read literature available in the form of articles in journals. Discussions with your colleagues, teachers, friends will definitely help you to finalize your topic. So you will have to do a lot of spade work, pilot study, preliminary study in order to finalize your topic. Once you acquire the capacity to explain your topic clearly, that means now you can finalize your topic. Once you acquire that ability, then it will be very easy for you to distinguish which data is useful for your study, which data is not for your use. That means you are now able to fix the area of your study, to earmark the border of your topic. When you define your topic, that should be done systematically. To sum up, the first step is stating the topic in a general way. The researcher should be able to state his topic in a broad way with an emphasis on its scientific or intellectual interest. For that, every researcher will have to conduct a pilot study or a preparatory work. Then the researcher will be able to define his problem by himself. He can attain that with the help of the research guide. The next step in defining the problem is to identify the nature of the problem, identify the origin of the problem. The researcher can have an in-depth analysis of the elements that is behind the origin of his problem. Once a person identifies the topic, he can go for the available literature on that. He can have a survey of the available literature, what we call a review of literature, which is very important in the case of any research. This can be achieved by discussions with others too. Discussion will help you to develop the topic into a proper form, because if you discuss with others, you'll be getting new ideas, new perspectives on your topic that will be beneficial for you to proceed with your research. The final stage in fixing your topic is, of course, finalizing the topic of your research. You can rephrase your topic. That will be the point where you start your research.